When a North American bison comes out of the pen, it often charges with raw power, and the impact is seriously impressive. After all, these giants can weigh up to a ton. On their shoulders, you'll notice a big hump, kind of like a camel's, but it's not fat, it's pure muscle, built to fuel their explosive strength. And if you ever need to move one of these massive animals, you can't just use any crate, you need a specially built iron cage for transport. In winter, their bodies adapt in a pretty funny way. The front half grows thick, heavy fur to keep warm, while the back half stays relatively bare. So it kinda looks like they're wearing a puffy winter jacket on top and shorts on the bottom. But this contradictory look actually makes sense. The front half keeps them warm, while the back half helps release heat when they run. And trust me, these animals can move. In a short sprint, a bison can hit speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. That's insanely fast for an animal this size. Most of the time though, they're pretty calm and move slowly. As long as you don't mess with them, they're usually pretty chill. Even cars can drive right past without any trouble.